Hey everyone, Storm Meteorologist Jason Myers here. This is the forecast for Memorial Day weekend 2015. We're going to cover Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Good news, looks like chances for severe weather are pretty much slim to none all weekend long. We have some cooler air that has really taken over the country, and that is putting the brakes on any chances for some severe thunderstorms. Here's what it's looking like on Friday. A big area of high pressure over the middle of the country. That means quiet weather for nearly everyone. We do have a couple of low pressure systems that'll be working their way up the East Coast. That could bring a little bit of rain to parts of New England during the day on Friday, and a lot of low pressure over the Rocky Mountains and west of there. So things are staying unsettled. Looks like we're going to be looking at maybe a few scattered rain showers here and there, possibly a little bit of snow up in the mountains. As for temperatures, these are anomalies, and we're looking at pretty much colder air across the entire country. A little bit of warmth trying to work its way into the northern plains and the northern Rockies. Same goes for Florida. But for the most part, it's a little bit cooler as we start the weekend on Friday. Heading into Saturday, still big area of high pressure over the eastern half of the country. We start to see some low pressure developing in parts of Texas. That could bring a little bit of showers and thunderstorm activity on Saturday, and still, again, uneasy across the Rockies and west of there. Temperatures remaining cooler than average, starting to moderate a little bit. It looks like east of the Mississippi River, not as chilly, but things are staying pretty cool west of there. As for Sunday, here we are getting well into the weekend, about halfway through it on this long weekend. Big low pressure that was developing in Texas on Saturday starts to exit Texas and move into the rest of the plains, bringing some showers and thunderstorms during the day on Saturday. This warm front could bring a little bit of rain to parts of the Midwest as well. The big high pressure that dominated the weather pattern Friday and Saturday is now exiting to the east. So it's all quiet in New England, up and down the East Coast, down in the southeast. But we're starting to see a few bumps in the road for the middle of the country. Again, still uneasy for the Rockies and west of there. Temperatures staying cool, but we're starting to see a warm up across the Midwest and the Northeast, right about where we should be across the Southeast. On Monday, this is what we're looking at. Low pressure really working its way across the Midwest now. This is going to bring some rain showers and a few thunderstorms, it looks like, to parts of the Midwest. This rain could arrive as early as late Sunday. The Indy 500, big event this weekend in Indianapolis, could get a little bit of rain on race day, but it's going to arrive later in the day, so if it does show up, there's a chance that it may show up late in the race. High pressure over the Rockies, so things start to quiet down there on Monday as things are getting unsettled in the middle of the country. The Northeast, not looking too bad. This big area of high pressure here is actually going to help to warm things up for the eastern half of the country. So things are looking a little bit warmer than normal east of the Mississippi, west of the Mississippi, right about where we should be. In a few spots a little bit cooler in the northern plains and the northern Rockies. It's staying above average, but that's what we're looking at for this weekend. There's a lot going on. Indy 500, probably one of the bigger events this weekend. All kinds of festivals and festivities, graduation parties, graduations happening this weekend. And on top of that, it's the unofficial start to summer. So for most, a lot of pools will be opening as well. So that's a look at your forecast. Hope it's a good one for you. Enjoy it. I'll see you here on Tuesday.